Hello guys, my name is JB Dan, and today I will show you how to enable Windows Sandbox. So Windows Sandbox is a virtual machine. A virtual machine is like an operating system inside an operating system. So if you don't know what Windows Sandbox is, here let me show you. As you can see here, Windows Sandbox itself is a virtual machine only available for Windows 10 version 1903. It is basically a virtual machine. Now my version here is 20H2, and without further ado, let's start, shall we? Now go to your search and type disable As you can see here, turn Windows feature on or off, or turn. There we go. Scroll down and check this one, Windows Sandbox. Now after you check, you click OK. After you click OK, it will wait, like it will search for the installation. After installation complete, it will ask you to restart your operating system. Go ahead and click restart, and after that, after the restart complete, search Sandbox and it will appear on the search result. I haven't checked it because the Windows Sandbox won't appear because I haven't checked it. So if you do what I said, if you do what I instruct you, Windows Sandbox should be appeared on the Windows search bar. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.